This economical and durable microfiber dust mop, it's great. It comes with a full polyester microfiber replacement pad that has the best cleaning power. A chenille microfiber mop that can quickly absorb lots of water. And a twist microfiber mop that can effectively remove dust from the floor. Assembling it is really quick and easy, and it takes you literally 1 minute. The pole is really lightweight and it can be adjusted from 45 to 55 inches. This mop is very friendly for any ladies, elderly, and children. What I love the most is that all the pots are washable, and it comes with a bucket design that is very easy to remove and to install the pots very efficiently. It can rotate 360 degrees, making it super flexible for you to clean any dust under furniture or any corners. The mop is super easy to use and is perfect for you to clean anywhere.